Hey, what's going on, everyone? Joey here, and it is freezing out, but I figured I would brace the cold for you guys to give you guys an update on Voyageur Motel, which is getting an expansion, which is having an expansion, which is adding on a whole nother building to their motel. We've been talking about this for a few months now, and I've been giving you guys updates every 2 months. And so this is the latest update. Now, before I share it with you, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Since our last update, they have done so much to the building, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And of course, I brought the drone along with me so I could show you guys views of it from a bird's point of view. I really like the color scheme, so let me turn the camera on. Let's get started. So as you guys can see, a ton of progress has been made. I mean, the outside is almost 100% done. Obviously, there's a lot of work inside they have to work on. You can see right here, they added in an ADA ramp so that you can actually get up to the rooms, which is great. You can see that they're installing an elevator at the very end. So if you're in a wheelchair, you could definitely get up there. And let me just say, look at the brickwork, look at the color scheme. I mean, the color scheme, you've got this, I guess, sort of like, I don't know if you want to call it blue, but it's like a blue, and then of course they have the green to match the rest of the motel. And I mean, it's really coming together really nicely. Here you can go ahead and see that the front of the building has, it looks like a door. It looks like you'll be able to enter upstairs this way. You can actually see steps inside. Looks like this one might even have steps up to its room. I have no idea. See how the fence is open? They added in this great brickwork underneath of it. I mean, this building has really came along. Look at this, right? And you can see that they're nearing the end of the construction because they have mattresses in this room. You can tell they're stacking them up. They got them, they're ready to go. That means they got to finish the inside. It looks like they have a few light fixtures to put on there, and this building is going to be ready to go. Now, for those who don't know, all of this used to be a parking lot. I mean, a true massive parking lot that they kind of ripped up to put this brand new part of the hotel. Now over here, they went ahead and paved this brand new parking lot because this used to be gravel and dirt, if you remember. They paved all of this for the hotel, so there's going to be plenty of parking for it. And I'm going to go ahead and make the assumption that once this is done, they'll also pave this too. But this is really exciting to see that a business is thriving and they're expanding. I want to go ahead and put the drone in the sky to show you what it looks like from a bird's point of view. So there you guys go. What do you think? Don't you think it's absolutely fantastic? I'm so happy that they did this. I mean, I can tell you that they'll definitely have this open by the summer. And I just wish them the best of luck, but thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the beach. Bye.